This is Aseda and Matt's I2C implementation on two FPGAs. On the left you have the master device, on the right you have the slave device. If you look closely, in the middle you will see a pull-up resistor that pulls up SDA in the case that the master or the slave do not pull it down. Zooming out again, on the master device you have a reset button, write and read. You have switches that correspond to the address sent to the slave. And on the slave you have switches that correspond to the data sent to the master and the reset button. These LEDs are the address that it receives, and these LEDs just indicate the status of the device. Now if you look here, you will see a logic analyzer that is connected to these devices, connected to this computer, and it is waiting for a signal. So we are going to send it a signal now. We're going to have the master write, and you can see on the slave device that it has in fact received the instruction. And if we look here, you can see the transmitted amount. So if we center that a little bit, you can see the address that was sent here, the acknowledgement bit, and then 99, and that's static programmed into the FPGA, the acknowledgement and the stop bit. Now we're going to reset that. Reset both of these devices as well, and we're going to do a read instruction. Now notice that this FPGA's lights have changed, and those lights correspond to the address that was sent on these switches. If we look at the logic analyzer again, you can see that we have an acknowledgement, same address, acknowledgement, and then a different data set from the slave device, and the acknowledgement corresponding to that. We're going to reset these one more time and change the address that the master is looking for. So as you can see, we have changed these to a different address. Both devices have been reset. And here we go, starting one more time. Now you can see the address that the device received was incorrect for this device. And if we zoom in here, and find this again, there we go. You can see that it did read the address, and it did not acknowledge because it was the wrong address. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the whole shebang, and we are done.